Hey everyone! I don't know if you guys caught the video of the taste tester tasting this recipe, but everybody loves it. I have made it like 3 times and whoever have served it to just absolutely loved it. So let's get this recipe going. We will start the recipe with either Kobe Jack or cheddar cheese or cheese of your choice, anything that melts. Star ingredient of the dip is a rotisserie chicken or any cooked leftover chicken. Mayonnaise of your choice. We are gonna grate the garlic. I have finely chopped the onions and wrapped them in a paper towel to get the water out of them. Sour cream of your choice. If I have time, then I place the sour cream in a strainer to remove the excess water. The spices we need: roasted coriander powder, roasted cumin powder, paprika if you have for the smokiness, some freshly cracked black pepper. It's easier to keep all the ingredients in one bowl. So mix all of it except the paprika. Mix it well and keep it ready. In a small pan, take a little bit of butter and let's fire up the stove. We are going to add the grated garlic and saute for 1 minute before adding our spice mixture evenly. Lower the heat. Mix the spices into the butter and garlic. And we want the spices to bloom. Be like in little bubbles. Like, do you see those little bubbles at the edges? That. Add more butter if you need. Don't let the spices burn, you guys. Let this cook for 2 minutes. Add little paprika and red pepper for the little kick. Turn off the heat when adding pepper. You will have to redo this step if you burn the spices, so be careful. Take the pan off the heat and let the mixture cool completely. Now, let's look at the sour cream I was straining. Couple teaspoons of water has been removed. In a bowl, add diced chicken, mayo for richness. Sour cream will add tanginess, but too much sour cream and your dip will be looser consistency, so be careful. Cheese is not only for flavor, but to add thickness to our dip. Next, our special spice mixture, and little salt if you like, and some red pepper for a kick. Add the finely chopped red onions and mix everything well. You could add salt like I did, or mix everything, then taste it, and then adjust the salt and red pepper if you like. You should definitely taste it before placing it in the oven. Place it in a baking dish, cover with foil, and bake this in a preheated oven at 400 degrees. For about 20 minutes, then remove the foil and broil it for 2 to 3 minutes on high. And it's ready to be enjoyed, and I serve it with some crackers or tortilla chips, depending on what I have. It's delicious, you guys. You have to believe me. If you make this once, you'll be making it again and again. And if you ever take it to a potluck, then this is the recipe everybody's gonna keep asking you for. Until next time, take care.